This is my Canon FD mount kit. The camera is a Canon A1. This is in absolutely pristine condition, not even a single scratch. So when I received it, I had the impression that the previous owner didn't use it at all. I have two batteries. The battery is to be loaded here, and then I just give it a try, and the battery type is 4LR44, and both batteries work excellently. So the camera is fully functional. When you test, remember to switch from L position to A position, and then when you mount a lens, you will have the option to see the metering. So the metering works fine on this camera. And the three lenses I have, two L lenses, I mean the luxury edition from Canon at that time, and the 50mm f1.4. This is my go-to lens, and that's again not a single scratch, absolutely gorgeous, in absolutely gorgeous working condition. And I think this is not the original cap, but I'm not sure, because in the original cap the lettering was a bit different. Yes, this is the original cap, this is the lettering, so definitely this is not. This is also the original body cap, but this is not. And okay, so the second lens I have is a luxury lens. This is the FD 80-200mm constant f4 lens. This is a push-pull lens, absolutely gorgeous, really small. Everything is practically really small in the FD world. It has the original shade. This is the BT 58 lens hood, and the beast of this lens collection is this Canon 85mm f1.2. so this is 85mm 1.2 lens, brutal. Actually it's hefty, but in today's standards, when the lenses are enormous, this lens is hefty, but absolutely it's hand holdable, so really a nice addition. Again, in very good condition. It has some kind of tiny scratches on the body. The plastic ring is excellent. Yes, this is the original cap, the lens cap. Yes, these are the original ones. And I keep my filters on my lenses, at least on these two L lenses. I think I don't have a filter on these 50mm. So my friends, this camera works excellently and in a pristine condition. The only thing it might be missing, I'm not 100% sure if this is the case, that there is no rubber eye cap around the viewfinder. I'm not sure if if this is the case of the lens of the camera, or there must be, but to me it's something missing. But of course this lever is too close for long exposure. The viewfinder.